If you want to make an impact and income from what you know, you need a way to reach your ideal customers around the clock 24/7 on autopilot so you can help them solve their problems and pain points with your expertise. A sales funnel is how you do that. And today, I'm going to take you through the 5 simple steps to build a wildly successful sales funnel for your business. Plus, I'm going to share a 2-tool combo that makes this so easy to build for your courses, your membership sites, or your coaching that, my toddler could probably do it. So you're going to love it. Let's jump right into it. If you want to build a successful sales funnel, there's 5 main components, 5 simple steps. I'm going to take you through each one of them and walk you through exactly how you can set this up for your business. The first step here is traffic. You've got to find a way to get yourself in front of your ideal customers, to reach them where they're at. There's 3 main ways that I kind of listed here for you to go about this. There's social media. So that's, your organic reach, whether you're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever it is. It's just a way to put out your content to, target your ideal customers and hopefully provide something that resonates with them. But another great option for building traffic, especially if you're a smaller creator or if you're just starting out, maybe you don't have a big audience to begin with, is to be a guest. This way you get to borrow the exposure, the audience of whoever you're being a guest for. So this could be a guest blog. This could be podcast. Podcasts are becoming a lot more popular. A lot more people have those. So if you can be a guest on that podcast, you can instantly borrow the credibility, the authority, and the audience from whoever you're, guest hosting with. That can help you to start generating that traffic and building the audience of your own. And then the last option here, of course, is ads. This is where, you're paying to get that exposure. You're paying to get in front of the ideal customers that you want to reach. So this could be, Facebook ads, this could be Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, what have you. But essentially, you're paying to get those clicks and to get those eyeballs. So after you've got your traffic, we move on to step 2, and this is leads and conversion. This is where we're going to make use of one of the amazing tools that I talked about in the beginning there, and that's going to make this so quick and easy for you to do. And what we're going to be doing is making a landing page here for a list builder. Now, the list builder is a freebie offer. It's exchanging something of value for the person's email so that you have a more direct form of communication with them. That is going to allow us to create an email conversion campaign where you're just going to provide them, some consistent ongoing content that will gently nudge them towards one of your products, whether that's a course or program or what have you. But I'm going to take you over now to ConvertKit. I'm just going to walk you through the process of signing up for a free account, just show you how quick and easy this can be for you. So here you go to create account, enter your name, enter your email, create a password for yourself. This will take you through a little onboarding process. So just, go through this. Let's say Bread Makers Inc. is going to be our business. Okay. And just like that, we've set up a brand new account. We have a 14-day free trial here on ConvertKit. The first thing I said we needed to do was build that list builder, right? So you go here to grow, go to landing pages and forms. And now this is where you have an option. You can create a form. If you already have a website or something like that, you can build just a simple little opt-in form. This, you've probably seen a million of these. You just enter your name and email and it signs you onto the list. Or you can build a landing page. So I'm going to walk you through this real quickly. We're just going to go with a basic template here. You can look through. They have several different templates. And here is where, you can type out whatever it is, 147 best bread recipes. Okay. And then you have the email address here. If you want to add additional forms, like say you want their first name as well, you can just add that little box there. You can select first name in the custom field here, and it's, really as easy as that. There you go. And again, you can customize all of this. You can see I changed the background image, and you just kind of click on it here. You can upload your own images. You can use Unsplash. You can link it to your Instagram, all that sort of stuff. So very, very cool. Once you've got your page as you like it, we are just going to save it. And then in the settings here, you come to incentive. This is where you're going to provide whatever your freebie is here. In this case, it's 147 of the best bread recipes. I'm going to assume this is going to be some sort of downloadable PDF. So you just click download there, you choose your file, You'd upload whatever that may be into the thing here and you save it. And then as soon as someone comes to your form, they enter in their name, their email, they hit subscribe. That's going to add them to your email list on ConvertKit here. And it's at the exact same time going to automatically deliver them this 147 best bread recipe PDF. We have our landing page for our list builder. The next thing you could do then is simply come to send. You could build out a sequence here. This is an email sequence or a campaign. And all you do, you hit new sequence and let's say bread maker conversion campaign, right? You create a sequence and this will allow you to write out a bunch of emails and then you can schedule these out over a period of time. Whether you want this to go out once a day, you can see all of this stuff here. So there's one email, you can add an additional email just clicking the buttons, and it makes it really easy to build out a sequence of emails that will automatically fire as soon as someone signs up to the list. Okay, so they're going to sign up to the list, they're going to get their bread recipes, and then one day later, they'll get their first email. So, maybe it's something like, hey, congrats, did you make your first loaf? Yeah, you can engage with them, right? And then you can add additional value, additional content throughout these emails and gently nudge them towards your product. And that is the next step. You've got your leads, you've got your conversion campaign laid out now, but in order for that to work, you need something that you're going to be selling, right? You need a product, whether that's a course, whether that's coaching, whether it's a membership. We need something that we're going to be selling, right, in order to monetize this. So again, this is where we hop over to ConvertKit, and you'll see right when you make your new account, it has this, set up your digital product. You can just click create a product right there. Or if you go to earn products, that'll take you to the product page, click new product. And again, it's very simple. Here is the Bread Makers Mastermind. Okay, that's what we're going to call this. And you can set this up as a product. So if this was going to be like a digital product, right, like a PDF or a book, you would pick product. Otherwise, you can do a subscription. And this is where like a membership model would come into play. So because this is a mastermind, we're going to set it up as a subscription. So this is going to be a membership. It's going to be a pretty elite bread makers membership here. It's going to be $1,997 a month. But again, you can adjust whatever you want your pricing to be. Say you want it to be $7, super easy to do that as well. But we're going to set this up. You can select your currency, all of that. Next, there's going to be the fulfillment. So again, if this is a digital download, if this is a newsletter for members only, or something else, so whether it's a coaching service or whatever. So we're going to do something else because this is going to be an ongoing membership, and we're going to make use of our second tool very soon here where we're going to deliver this actual Bread Makers Mastermind. All right, so we click create product. You can see it creates a page here for you as well, specifically for that product. And once you create the product here, this is where, again, you can type out, master the art of artisanal bread making mastery, right? We're kind of redundant with the whole mastery thing, but there we go. You can write out your description. It shows the price there. Again, you can adjust the image here. So you can edit this. You can, again, use something from Upsplash or what have you. And you can also customize the buttons and all that stuff. You can color it differently, any of that, right? So this is the main page. This is where people are going to be sent to. This is kind of the lander for your product. So you're definitely going to want to build out this description and, provide any sort of information that your audience might need to help them, make a informed purchase decision. All right. Then there's the checkout page. So this is what it will look like when they're, entering their card, their email, all that sort of stuff. And then the confirmation. And then there is a receipt email that goes out as well. We are just going to save it as is here. In order to publish, you do have to set up payments. And this is a really great thing with ConvertKit as well, as it integrates with Stripe. So if you already have Stripe set up, you can set that up with this. If you don't, then you can kind of go through this process and you can set up, where you want the payment going through and all of that sort of stuff. But again, it's very quick and easy. I won't walk you through all the nitty gritty with that. We've made that landing page for our list builder and we've created our first product. So now that we have our product, what we want to do is go into automations here. So automate, visual automations, and we're going to set up a new automation. So this is just an automatic response that's going to happen in ConvertKit when someone purchases your product. Okay, so we're going to go through purchase here. We're going to select commerce, and we're going to pick our Bread Makers Mastermind, that course that we just created here. We're going to click add event. Okay, so this is creating a thing that says if someone purchases this Bread Makers Mastermind, then this next step will happen. So what we want to do here now is add or remove a tag. Okay, so action, add, remove tag, and we are going to create Hub Access Pass, right? So this is going to be the new tag. So as soon as someone purchases this product on ConvertKit here, they are tagged with a Hub Access Pass. Now, why is that important? We're going to get to that in the next step here. So now that we have the product and the tag all set up, now it is time to build your actual membership hub. And this is where Searchie comes into play. This is the best place to create, manage, and sell all of your content all in one place. There's incredible onboarding features to make it so quick and easy. There's no code required, so you can set this up yourself, even if you're a non-techie, and it's got some incredible automations. Everything you upload, whether it's audio, video, text, what have you, it's automatically transcribed, captioned, and instantly searchable. It's fantastic. It's the best place to build your course or your membership or coaching program. If you want to learn more about it, we'll link to it down below. It's just searchie.io. You can learn a little bit more about it and even start up a free trial here. And again, it's a simple sign-up process, just like ConvertKit. Enter your email, your name, or you can sign up with Google. A few clicks and you're all through and ready to set up your membership. All right, so now we're all logged in to the back end. This is where you'll come to in the hubs section. What you're going to want to do is create your hub. This is where you're going to deliver your membership content. And you can see there's tons of beautiful templates here that you can choose from, and you can sort whether you want it as a membership, a podcast, coaching, what have you. You can kind of look through these templates, find one that is a good sort of layout for you, and then you can just quickly tweak it, change out some photos, change some colors around, and you'll be ready to go right out the gates. So these templates are a huge, huge time saver. And we've already used one here to build this little Rise Up Hub. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. And I'm not going to walk you through the whole process of building out the hub because we have some incredible tutorials on how to do that on the website. So just go to help.searchie.io and you'll see tons of great articles and walkthroughs of how to set this all up for yourself. But it's really quick and easy. You can, it's just click, point and click, adjust some colors. You can click the little paintbrush here if you want to style anything. We have an incredible Canva integration as well, so you can get some awesome graphics, even if you're not a graphic designer yourself. And it's just really simple and straightforward to edit all the content in there and all of that good stuff. Once you've got your hub laid out as you need it, you can see there's already some video, some lessons in here. What we need to do is upload all of our content so that we can host all of that within our membership. So we're going to exit out of this hub editor. We're going to come over to the library. Okay, and this is awesome. You can upload your own stuff here, or you can actually add things like your YouTube channel or a Google Drive, a Dropbox, any of that. And you get to that by going over here to apps. And then this is where, you can link up your Dropbox, your OneDrive, Google Drive. You can integrate right with your YouTube channel. So if you want to automatically import your videos from your channel, you can simply do that. And again, all of this gets automatically transcribed, captioned, and instantly searchable. So it's incredibly powerful for delivering your content in your membership. Just like that, we upload the content to the library, and you can see we have our Baking Basics series here. This is the content that is in our membership hub. So we've got these ready to go. Now we have our hub built out. We've got our content uploaded. Everything's good to go here. What we need to do is link this with ConvertKit. And all we need to do for that is go to apps here again, click on ConvertKit and click add account. Now for this, you need your secret API key. So all you do, you come back over to ConvertKit here. You click up here, go to settings for your account settings. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to advanced. And here you're going to see your API and your API secret. This is what you need. So you're just going to click show here and you're going to copy the code that it gives you. You're going to come back and you're going to paste that in here. And there you go. We've got Bread Makers Inc. We're going to confirm that. And there we go. It's already added just like that. Super simple. So now that that's connected to your ConvertKit account, you're going to click on it here. You're going to add an automation. We're just going to title this Hub Access, confirm. And now here, we're going to select if this happens in ConvertKit. So again, remember we made that tag. So if a tag is added to a subscriber, you select the tag, which is the Hub Access Pass. That's what we set up in ConvertKit already. Then add the subscriber to a hub. You're going to select your hub, which is our Rise Up hub, and click confirm. And just like that, it's set up. We're going to turn that on and it is set up. And now, as soon as someone purchases that product on ConvertKit, it's automatically going to give them that tag that says, hey, this person purchased this. Give them the access pass to your hub, and then it is going to automatically tag them in Searchie here and grant them access to your hub. Now that we have everything set up in our hub here, it's time to test it out. So we're going to come over to our landing page that we created. I actually added the tags, so the same automation that we did for the product. Because I don't have the pricing set up, I couldn't go through the whole process of going through the payment and all of that. So I set up the exact same Hub Access Pass automation here for the landing page that we set up earlier. So what this is going to do is anytime someone joins that list, it is going to give them the Hub Access Pass. That is going to add them into our Searchie audience and give them access to the hub, the same way it would if they were to purchase the product. So let's test it out here. Enter the name. We're going to enter the email. So now that I'm subscribed to that list, that will have given me that tag that we set up that should give me access to the hub. So let's come back over here and check in the audience to confirm. And there it is, Tyler at tylerplustest@northresults.com. So that is the new member that we just added. You can see it was added today as well. So that is working perfectly, and that will give me access to the hub and, allow me to go through all the lessons and all that sort of stuff. So that is how you set up the complete funnel. So there you have it, your simple 5-step process for creating that incredibly powerful sales funnel using that 2-tool power combo that we talked about, that is Searchie plus ConvertKit. I hope this video showed you how quick and easy it can be to create a complete, well-rounded sales funnel to help you grow and expand your business. Now, if you want to test this out for yourself and put what you learned today into action, just go ahead and click the link in the description below to start your free trial of Searchie today. There's no credit card required. There's no catch. I just want you to be able to see how quick and easy managing and monetizing your content can be. And now you have this simple 5-step sales funnel that you can put into action. So go ahead and crush it. If you liked today's video, make sure you're subscribed, so we're going to have a lot more awesome content like this coming to you very soon.